it.
You gonna get it open?
Open, baby.
Oh. You trying to get the icing open?
Open.
Like, what the fuck? Are you fucking filming me? Come on, Connor. It sounds like he's having an orgasm.
Don't say that.
Get it, Connor. Get it open. Get it open and you can have some.
What was that?
You're just drooling everywhere. Look at you.
You want that icing?
Get it open. Come on. You're gonna drop it.
You're about to fall. Get it? You go get it.
He's trying to use his mind powers. Oh.
You ass monkey.